long time but back with a bling. Hi guys, let's officially get started. So today's video is going to be about my bling bag unboxing. This video is going to be about this month's bling bag, of course, yes, which is the month of October. We are already into October and I cannot tell you how excited I am for all the fall and the festivities and all of that. And it's the same reason why I'm excited about this bag as well. Why? Because this month's edition is also called as Festober. We are officially actually stepping towards all the amazing festivals and the amazing times of this year. So with all the festivities just around the corner, I guess jewelry is such an apt thing to do right at this moment. And what a beautiful start of the month of October. Actually, I am shooting my first video for the month of October and I'm so happy to tell you guys that this video is also going to have a giveaway. So let's talk about the giveaway in the end probably, and all the details will also be mentioned in the description box. Why I'm running really fast is because I'm so excited to show you guys this one. So as I mentioned, this is the October box called as the Festober. It comes in a box like this, cardboard box, pink color box. Inside of it, when you open it, is all bubble wrapped and it comes with a lot of cards actually. So they have a lot of cards. I'm not going to read all of the cards, but yes, they say that this is the October Festober bling bag, and they also have a coupon right here which gives you 100 rupees off on your November bling bag. So all of these things come in your Festober box of the bling bag. Now when I unwrap this amazing bubble wrap, we get to a bag, which is why of course this is called as a bling bag. Now this is a bag to actually look at. It's such a beautiful bag, matches my dress, and I'm sure it's going to match a lot of things. It is quite a nice embellished bag, which I'm really excited about. It is the color black, so obviously a very versatile bag, and it also has this kind of wristlet. Yes, it's a wristlet, and very aptly you can use it as a clutch, which of course I will be, because it is so festive and I just cannot help talk about it. It also matches my nail paints, by the way. So yeah, I'm going to show you what all we have inside of it. But to start with, I'm such a dumb. I'm pretty sure a lot of you must be aware about bling bag, but for those of you who are new to this bling bag thing, I would just tell you that it is a jewelry subscription box, guys, and the price and everything will be mentioned on the screen and in the description as well. So basically they have designer jewelries that you actually get on the basis of your style profile. So what is a style profile? So when you log on to their website, you are actually taken to a page where you have to fill your style or the kind of jewelry that you like. It could be statement, it could be dainty pieces, it could be anything that you like. They will give you a lot of options and you have to choose from them, and according to your style you will be sent your jewelry. They generally give 4 pieces of jewelry based on your style profile obviously, but they also have a bling boutique, something like that, where you can select individual pieces. But if you go for the subscription box, I feel like that is more cost effective. That's what I feel. And if you talk about the quality of the bling bag jewelry, they are designer jewelry. They are created very tastefully and they look amazing. The quality is amazing and they last a really long time. So that is something I really wanted to convey to you guys, because a lot of times, you know, because this is artificial jewelry, a lot of us actually tend to think whether or not the quality will last, whether or not the polish will last and all of that. If you store the jewelry well, I promise you, you will have a really nice lifetime or a really nice usage from this jewelry. That is something for sure, because their quality is top notch. That is for sure. So inside of this bag, we have some of these kind of pouches, and inside of it we have the jewelry. It also comes with these kind of cards. So because we have 4 pieces of jewelry, we have 4 cards right over here. The cards mention the name of the jewelry piece, the description, and also the price. So I'm going to read out the name and the price. Of course, if I start reading it out, the video is going to be really long. So let's get started. If I tell you about my style, so I'm one of those people who really like dainty pieces of jewelry. Either I'll wear nothing at all, or if I really need to go for jewelry, I love dainty pieces. I just feel they're so much more classy. And why I really like the dainty pieces or the small things or the really minimal kind of jewelry is because I can reuse them. That's what I feel like. With statement things, I guess you can just have 1 or 2 wear out of it. So that's the reason why I like the smaller pieces. So I have got similar pieces, but these are festive pieces. That is something I have to tell you, because of course we are into the season of the festivals. So yeah, let me just quickly get started. The first thing is actually a bracelet, guys. So I'm a person who's not really so much into bracelets, but the last time I got a bracelet from the Bling Bag, I became such a fan of their bracelets. I got a really nice dainty piece. If you have not watched the video, I'll give a link over here of my previous September bag. You can definitely go ahead and watch it. So this time I have got this bracelet, and it's a really nice gold bracelet. The thing with this one is that of course you can wear it for office as well. What is this called as? This is called a Skyra adjustable bracelet, and this is for 599 rupees. It is all gold. It is adjustable, so you really don't have to worry about the sizing and all. Let me just take out my watch. So this is what it looks like. It has diamonds on the side, I mean of course the jerkin things on the side, and then you have a pearl in the center, and you have this kind of a braided effect. And it is very easy, it is very flexible. At the same time it is quite sturdy as well, so you will not have any chances of kind of breaking it and all. It is very, very beautiful, especially if you're going for kind of office and all. It's a perfect piece to go for basically, and it feels really light in the hands, and I think it looks super classy. So because it is such a dainty piece, I think I can have a lot of usage out of it. It is so perfect that not only for the festivals, I can obviously wear it on a regular day-to-day basis. During the office hours you can use it. You can definitely wear it with your dress for a dinner. I think it's such a versatile piece to go for, and I've become such a fan of the bracelets from Bling Bag. Really like it, guys. Definitely really love it. So that was the first thing in the bag. Moving on to the next piece that I have is an earring. So the reason why I'm not wearing an earring is because I just wanted to just rock one of these, and I am really a fan of the Bling Bag earrings. I feel like they're very ethnic, at the same time so modern and chic. And this is the pair that I've got for myself. Now this is not really very statementy, but it is not it is not very much out there, but at the same time it obviously will make its presence felt. It's a very beautiful, I guess, turquoise teal color with some gray you know, studs in the center. It is very minimalistic, and then it has these dangly chains. It has some rustic, silver rustic or this oxidized effect, and it looks really pretty. So I don't know why, but I'm really liking this one quite a lot. It is such an amazing piece. Should I wear it? Let me just wear it. And I'm going to keep wearing it because I'm really liking it. It's such a beautiful earring. So what this earring is called as, this is called as Kumi Tassel earrings. So this is priced at 899 rupees. Moving on to my next piece of jewelry is this one. Now this is such a classic piece, I cannot tell you guys. So this is a pearl necklace with some jerkin diamonds, of course. So this is what it is like. You can definitely wear it with a really deep neck dress. It's going to look super chic and classy. It is such a girl boss kind of a necklace. It is so beautiful. So it has this pearl thing right over here, and then this dangly jerkin thing right over here, and then again the pearl thing hanging over here. I think it's such a classic piece, and with white shirts, with any beautiful dress, especially for the office wear, especially for the nighttime party, I think it's such a classic piece. And of course you can have a lot of wear out of it because it is not really statement, but yes, it is a very fancy necklace. I feel like something I really longed for in my collection, and I think it is such a beautiful piece. What this one is called as, so this is called as Nakshatra pearl necklace, and this one is priced at 799 rupees. Now the build is such good quality. The diamonds or these things are super duper shiny. It looks really amazing. It's so pretty. I cannot tell you, it's so amazing. Moving on to the last piece right in here is this. Now this is again a very pretty, very pretty earring. Because my style profile says that I'm a fan of earrings, so I've got another piece of earring. However, this is what it looks like. So first of all, the first thing that catches my attention is the beautiful color. It is a very beautiful burgundy or a wine color. So it looks really pretty. It also has a very beautiful, nice aqua color in the center. What this one is called as, it's really pretty. I love this color combination. It is a kind of oxidized gold. I really like the combination of this earring. I think this has to be my favorite piece. This is called as Gulab ethnic earrings, and it's such a beautiful earring. This is again priced at 799, and I feel it's totally worth it. but of course when you order the subscription box, you will get this box at a fairly cheaper price than the individual prices of the blings combined together. So that's why I feel like going for the subscription bag for the bling bag is actually much more economic. And this one is such a beautiful earring, I cannot tell you guys. And you can obviously wear it with your salwar kurta, you can wear it with skirt, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with whatever you want to, even with sari. This is going to look really pretty. It is such a feminine and a very dainty and yet quite an assertive piece, I would say. So I really love this month's October Festober edition of my bling bag, which was my style thing, and I totally am satisfied with whatever I've purchased. The quality is super duper amazing, guys. So if you want to purchase this particular Festober edition, that means if you want to get the exact same pieces which I've got, you can use this code SANA, which is going to give you the exact same pieces in your bling bag subscription bag. And Bling Bag very kindly gave me 10% off for all their bling boutique collection. So if you are buying anything from their bling boutique, you can use this coupon code right over here on the screen for you to get 10% off on your bling boutiques. So that of course is some saving right there. So that sums up my Festober bling bag. I'm so happy, I cannot tell you. Now coming to the most exciting bit of this particular video is the giveaway part. So starting the October with some really amazing giveaway, and what could be better than jewelry, and that too from Bling Bag. So Bling Bag actually is very kindly giving away one bling from the October edition, which is the Festober edition of the Bling Bag, to one lucky winner. And all that you have to do is, you guys know that because it comes from Bling Bag, you have to follow them on Instagram. Generally my rules for the giveaway is very simple, but because this giveaway it will be sponsored by Bling Bag, you will have to follow them on their Instagram page and also on their Facebook page. And also, in order to participate in this giveaway, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, be a part of this really beautiful family, hit that notification bell, hit that like button if you've liked this video, and also comment in the comment section below which is your favorite bling from this Bling Bag. I would really love to know. And that's it, you will be entered into the giveaway. The giveaway will be announced super duper quickly, just in 3 days time, which is I think 7th of October. Yes, 7th of October. All the details will be given in the description box. So that was it in this video of mine, guys. I really hope you've liked the video. I really hope you've liked the Bling Bag. So I'm really hoping that a lot of you will participate. Just 3 days and I will be announcing the name of the winners. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself, and you know that I love you very much. Bye guys. Mwah.